Gusto mo may kasulti?
Happy birthday, Swin. I wish you another 60 years.
Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Tapos like 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
Greetings, guys.
Ako sa pani.
Greetings, Ma'am Sweeney.
Amo ba? Nag-greet na mag-happy birthday, Ate Sweeney. More birthdays to come from. Mag-surprise na po.
Happy 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Ate Sweeney. God bless.
Thank you. Pretty greetings.
Te, busog kayo may sumang birthday. Tapos si Marnel, naman. Happy birthday, te.
Greetings, Ma'am Sweeney.
Happy birthday, man. More birthdays to celebrate. More years to come. Nga mag-enjoy ka sa imong lahat.
Another 60 years?
Another 60 years. And God will bless you.
Oh, pare.
Partner, happy birthday, partner. Happy birthday, happy.
Mana?
Birthday.
Oh, Ninang. Greetings.
Hi, Sweeney. I love you. Happy 60th birthday. And may the Lord give you another 60 years. God bless.
Thank you. Mommy. Greetings, Ma'am Sweeney.
Mads, sorry. Daghan kong ipamakak nimo pero successful ko sa akong pagpamakak pasaylo agi ko Mads pero I wish you happy birthday and you have many more birthdays to come. Paabot og 100. 60 man ka karon plus 40, ha?
40.
Happy birthday, Mads. I love you.
Sweetie, God bless you. Thank you for inviting us to surprise birthday.
Thank you.
Thank you, Marnel.
Thank you. Greetings to the celebrant.
Hi, Ate Sweeney. Happy birthday. Close tayo.
Katula kayo? Oh, greetings.
Happy birthday po
Surprise.
from Milwaukee, Wisconsin.
God bless you.
Ate, oh, girecord.
Kumana? Kumana
Namina
day.
si ate, namina, oh.
Greetings.
Tay, happy birthday na mo si ate. Lami biya kay pagkaon. Busog
Dad. Greetings.
Happy birthday. Ate Sweeney.
Ate, happy birthday. Happy 16th. 16th naman, 16th birthday. Pwede po
16th?
sweet 16th. Okay, kuan. Many more happy years, long life, o mag-united na mo sa imong kuan.
Amen.
Happy
Mana?
birthday.
Kene. Audinan. Greetings.
Happy birthday.
Papang.
Happy 30th birthday kay dili pa man
30th?
60. 30th.
Okay.
Okay.
Katunga man.
Oo, may bata pa man kulo tayo. Dili ko no.
Bata gyud kasi.
Okay. Great.
Kumana po, happy birthday.
Di, lahi to. Kangkol mo to.
Happy birthday, Ate Sweeney. Stay as sweet as you are. God bless.
Thank you.
Sweeney, thank you for inviting me to your birthday.
Surprise.
I know if you weren't surprised, you would have invited me. So since it was a surprise, thank you. I wish you the best. It's been neat to know you for the last 3 to 4 years. I'll never forget you offering your hospitality, even in the Philippines, with your son. And it's just a joy to actually see you surprised. I thought that was one of the neatest things I've ever witnessed. And I hope you keep smiling, and I hope this actually just puts all kinds of joy in your heart, because you really deserve it. Happy 60th, and good luck for the next 60 years of your life. Have a good day.
Mama Sweeney. Hindi, ibang camera to.
Ibang camera yan. O, sige, ibang camera, Ate Sweeney. Happy birthday. Basta alam ko si Marnel, 4 na birthday.
Oh, ate, greetings.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Ate.
Tapos na ko ganiha.
Tapos na?
Birthday, ate. Salamat sa tinula, oh. Dala ko.
Thank you.
Ate, Sweeney. Maraming kaon.
Ikaw, Day.
Maraming kaon.
Hi, happy birthday again, Mommy Auntie. I love you. Many more.
Go, Day.
Birthday.
you sa imong pagluto ha.
Oh, thank you, Evelyn. Siya ay nagluto.
You have many more birthdays to come and many more healthy lives or years to come. I love you and thank you for everything.
Hi Ate Sini, happy birthday. May God bless you and
More turun to come.
I will bless you. I will bless you. More power sa imong career, ug sa imong kuan, sa imong showbiz.
I want to wish you many more birthdays to come and so happy that we get to celebrate your birthday.
Sini si Marnelo busog na kayo.
We get to celebrate your birthday today. We're so happy for you and we love you so much and we want you to enjoy your day and God bless you. Love you. Bye-bye.
Happy 60th birthday, te. And stay cool and deep.
Ano yung ka? Ano ka? Ano yung huli ka? Pinalate ka.
16th birthday.
Punishment.
We love you so much. You're the only one, best friend. For your 60th birthday. Oran yun eh mo na buhat man. Ano sa anniversary ako ng celebrant ay? Ayun lang, wey.
I love you guys. Thank you kayo ninyo tanan. Thank you gyud. Dili jud mahimo akong 60th birthday wala mo. Wala mo tanan. Ay anak. Thank you kay ni Mas Vicky. Thank you kay sa kong cake ni Darling. Thank you ni Amy. Dito ko sa ilang balay.
Wala siya kibalo nga doon.
Humana. Mami Laura. Thank you for your advice. Thank you kayo sa akong mga angels. Nagagay kong angels. Thank you kayo ninyo. Love you. I love you. Happy kayo ko. Birthday dyan sa happy yan. Lami ay din edad nga 16, no? Kaya ko na ako. Gawin mo 60 pa happy gid mo. Nagagay ko na yung birth certificate para ma-surprise na siya. Thank you sa mga look at ng mga Kodak here. Thank you, Jude. Alright.
Gato na ning ipuso ng ato ang balay-balay, pero you are all invited inside the church, inside the house. Aron ang ato ang bigger loser gamay atong kinaon. Doon natay contest nga kantahay ug contest po sa paghuhuay sa atong tiyan.
Lohe sa operator, operator.
Mientras wala pa po muulan, pwede na dire sa ground mag-contest ug huhuay sa tiyan. Na may music during Marnel. Music Nel!
Kamu tanan, murabog mga 60 na tanan. Nalipay ang mga tigulang mo. Ang mga board natin. Daw picture me. Daw picture me.